Hello guys, welcome to Krishna Max tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to teach the coordinate geometry. Okay, in this chapter coordinate geometry, it has three main formulas. Okay, in this coordinate geometry I doesn't teach any of the exercises, and I will only teach the examples based on it as asked recently in the 10th exam board. Okay, it can be maybe comes in, I don't know, but it can be maybe it comes or no, but I will teach some examples based on it. From that you can solve the exercises. Okay, let's start it. Let's start the first. We start with the distance formula. Okay, distance formula. Okay, have you ever seen the graph? Okay, I know everyone seen it. Graph points are we written as x and y because it's x axis and y axis. Okay, point x will show the numbers written on x axis, and y then the units written on the y axis. Okay, it represents that. Okay, same as it is, we will use here whole coordinate geometry, and whole is based on the x and y. Okay, the formula that is, okay, we denote the distance as small letter d. D is equal to square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the distance formula. Always have to refer this formula because it is very important formula. Okay, let's try to solve some examples based on the distance formula. Okay, example number 1, that is A 2 and 3 and B 6 6. Okay, let's start it. In this first x y x y, have you seen this? I told this in the starting, that is in coordinate geometry is based on x and y. So let's represent x1 as x1 and y1 x2 y2. This is the coordinate of x1, that is 2, and x2, that is 6. Okay, have you gone understand it? Okay, if you go for C, then it is also x3 and y3. Okay, have now you gone understood? Okay, let's remove it and solve this equation first. We have wrote the formula, d is equal to, we have to find distance, okay, on the graph, that is x2, that is 6. Brackets are very important, minus, put the minus as it is, x1, that is 2 whole square plus y2, that is 6, and put the minus as it is, and y1, that is 3 whole square, d as it is. Okay, 6 minus 2, that is 4 square plus 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay, put under root as it is. 4 square, that is not 4 into 2, I have to not calculate 4 into 2. Square means to calculate it its own number, that is 4 means you have to calculate 4 into 4 2 times. Okay, 4 4, that is 16 plus 3 square, that is 9, 3 3 is 9. Okay, distance at 16 plus 9, that is 16 plus 9, that is root 25. Okay, root is the 25 is a rooted number, that is 5 into 5, that is 25. Okay, so we can remove the root and d is equal to 5. Okay, so we have to not write directly 5. After writing 5, we have to write square symbol, units. Okay, this is our the first problem. Okay, have you gone understood? Okay, and please write down it in the point book, and let's start this second example.